So what we're doing here is we ground out the seams on our 76 Corvette, and now we're coming in with our two-part epoxy. It's a 2-to-1 mix ratio. And what we do is we put it in a baggie, put it in here in the seam, and tape everything off so it gives us a nice clean line. And we'll come back through with Bondo spreaders and spread all this smooth. And then once all this is kicked, we'll go back through and grind it all down, start our bodywork process. But this just makes it go a lot faster as we're putting it into the seam and make sure that it penetrates down to where we were grinding. So we just take a Bondo spreader, keep it flat to the panel, just work it down inside there.